Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. After that, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you click on Duolingo. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that, we click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.